Look, I got a new Dyson. Oh, it's actually almost taller than me. I just realized. Let's see if this is a very expensive, fancy vacuum cleaning. How does that work? So when it comes in, it has all this part which I'm not even sure what they're doing. So we bought it, we just assemble it, we actually charge it overnight. And it comes with all of this stuff, but I have a feeling that these will just be forever in this basket in somewhere in our storage, unless V11 Blackman would love to do a lot more vacuuming. Ding, ding. Right, so we'll test this out with my office just for now. So now I'll show you. This guy has the battery mode. So by normal default, we use auto. So I guess that's for my normal house, normal apartment, not that big. But if you have a massive mansion and you do want to use your one charge for your massive mansion, you might need an eco mode. And then the boost will be, I don't know, if you wanna power suck your car or something, right? I don't know. So we're gonna test out auto mode and see how dirty is my new office, and we'll see how this baby fill up. So I just did the vacuuming my office. Oh my god, look at all of this cat hair, dog hair, human hair. Wow, I thought this is my new office. I only live here for a week, maybe 2 weeks already. That is a lot of dust in 5 minutes of vacuuming my small office. I cannot imagine once I do the whole big house. And I wonder if I can use this for my hairdryer. All in one for $1,000. Yeah, so I can't wait to see how this guy play out with the whole house. So for weight, I did it about 5 minutes. It's okay. It's actually quite lightweight. But I reckon if I do the whole house and the whole apartment, the whole toilet, bathroom, bedroom, everywhere, I will have a really strong right arm, unless I start to use my left arm, or unless V11 Blackman will help me do more vacuuming, right? So let's see how I can take this rubbish off. So let's have a look. What do I do? Oh, okay. So do I take this guy out first? Alright, so I take this guy out. Oh, look at the new microwave. Wow, so fancy. So stop it. Alright, so let me see. So I push this guy. Oh! Whoa, that is technology. Whoa. Okay,